grind. Alright, you guys are good.
They're not good. They both suck. That's why they're in losers bracket.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so Sean has, or Donk has been playing Wolf today. I haven't seen him go Luigi, or not Wolf. Fuck. Falco. He's going Falco today. Interesting choice. He's playing Falco against people with the Falco experience. You know, our crew, we all played with Kenny. He was a very solid Falco. Sean, while is a great player, it's still there's matchup knowledge there.
Sean actually has a pretty strong combo game on fastball.
Yeah. I mean, if you're gonna play Falco, you almost have to.
Yeah, because that's his thing. He's like, I destroy fastballs.
Or get destroyed by everyone.
Everybody else in the roster. Yo, but he has Falco stuff. Which doesn't mean much.
I wonder if it's stopping him from playing Luigi. I should have asked him when he was commentating in the hospital set. He hasn't played Luigi today. I was actually hoping to play as Luigi and win his bracket, but he went Falco and I was able to, you know, show him the D.
Give him the Wario gift stuff.
Give him the ha ha wah.
You throw him off stage and then you're like, ah, you're Falco. You're dead now.
Dude, basically.
Oh my god.
They are just going in on each other,
There's not really
dude.
any combos because they just keep trading it back.
That was unfortunate. Unfortunate SD. Sean actually has to eat a lot with Falco today.
Dude, that's what Falco does.
Oh, fuck. I'm not recording. This isn't even
Stupid.
I'm recording now. He'll have to pull it from Twitch, I guess. Fuck. First one I fucked up.
I feel like nobody's had like a... Okay, there we go. I feel like nobody's had like a clean like combo that had like a clear ending to it.
No,
everyone's been breath throwing moves.
Everyone, they just had been going in on each other. Look at that. And then I wouldn't be surprised if Sean came back and was like, yo, I can do this too, dog. See, look it. This is what's great about Smash and the Spaceys matchups. When they fight against each other, it's chaos. Matchup knowledge usually goes out the window. They're just like, yo, I'm gonna go in harder than.
In Melee, where there's like it's Fox and Falco, or just even like a Fox dude.
Oh, solo. Solo dolo yolo there.
Sometimes I lose track of which one is which when they both shine a bunch.
Alright.
They both just turn into blue hexagons. I'm like, fuck, which one's it?
What's interesting now is it's the same dynamic that Lumpy and Grime had in their matchup. They're gonna want the same stages, so it's just gonna come down to who plays better on this counter pick.
Yeah. A lot of it's preference.
Luigi.
Okay, Sean's bust down Luigi. He doesn't like this loser bracket thing. He's realized his stop.
I think he's like, hey, I need some gas money to get home. You know, he shouldn't need it.
He made fucking drive.
He made easy money.
Well, I mean, there's no one good there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of.
I mean, I heard that there was like a Roy player from Dallas and some Rob, but you know.
No Suhei.
I don't know.
Unlike the all-star cast of Austin PM.
With Eclipse Kirby.
Yeah.
Doom.
Dude, Doom is so handsome. I wish you guys could see him.
Oh, they just seen him last.
Oh yeah,
night.
yeah.
He was just on stream.
Oh my god, Birdo's definitely been bulking. Look at the mass. Oh, right now he's eating a rice cake with peanut butter on it. It's classic bulking food. It's cheap as hell.
So they're actually still going pretty in on each other.
Oh yeah, I guess the match is going on too.
Yeah.
I'm just busy with Birdo thinking.
It's good. Hey. I mean, we learned this from Easy Money. Luigi's recovery is stupid good.
I think the only thing really like that I would say would need to be changed about it is Side B's ledge grab box is like 2 character links above Luigi.
Is it really?
Yeah,
That's fucking
look at it in
bullshit,
debug, dude. It actually looks pretty like retarded when you like.
To be honest with you, I don't know how to use debug mode, so I'll just take your word for it.
So like, okay, see where Dong is?
Yeah.
Okay, above his head. Imagine that's like when he turns sideways. That's the ledge grab box.
I didn't change his icon to Luigi, but it's fine. Everyone can see that's Luigi.
Oh, that would have been so
Oh,
sick.
that was a nice shine stall.
Yeah, I love seeing wave down up tilt. It's It's like the stuff that I'll never get to do as Falcon, so it's cool to watch other people do it. If I wave dash up to him, I'll just get weird looks in the crowd. How the hell did you do that?
Dude, this thing is going in.
Okay. You know, I guess that was a trade in his favor there. Pretty similar.
Yeah, that was a good trade. I mean, we were talking about trades earlier where you lose your stock for your opponents, and it almost caused Goon against Doom. Fucking can't say. Those two names are retarded next to each other.
Good God. Sean got a crazy combo just now.
Apparently the mics are too low, so I'm turning them up. That's what it is.
Maybe I'll just bring it
No.
even
I mean, I
closer.
guess I can hear you. But maybe my mic's not working. I don't know. But it's 1-1.
Yo, maybe Jesse will take him to Yoshi's Island where he does that retarded wolf thing on the ledge.
He's gotten really good at it,
Dude, he was destroying me in friendlies with it. Like, we played on that stage twice, and like...
Okay, what's cool, what's funny about that is he's seen Chillin' Dude do it fucking, I don't know how long ago. It's like when 3.5 first hit. Fucking, I don't know. It was weird.
Yeah, but like... I didn't even know you can change the distance of how far you go, and you can go straight back to the ledge after you do it.
Yo, Marth versus Luigi.
I think if you do it on shield, it might actually be safe on shield.
Okay, I actually have some experience in this matchup. It's not like to brag,
Oh, yeah.
but I did 2-0 shot with my Marth.
This is the only time the Marths came out, and still stay undefeated.
It's gonna. I don't care what anyone says. So, one thing I noticed, I already should have known this just from playing Marth for as long as I have. His down tilt destroys Luigi.
Oh yeah, because you can't approach on the ground when you do it. It's like super low committal too.
Also, SDs destroy Luigi.
Yeah.
So-
Sean's been trying to ledge dash more, but like the more you try to ledge dash, like you'll SD more. Which I should know. I do it all the time.
The only thing that scares me about this matchup, but Jesse is better than I forgot what the guy's name was. Do you remember that gross combo from Farmer's Fight 2?
Yeah. What was his fucking name? I know what you're talking about. It was with the dude with the really sweaty hands. His name was Omar. I don't remember his tag though.
Was it like CQL or something like that?
Yeah, it was CQL. That's right.
Yeah, that gross just chain grab from side to side.
That was, if he DI'd correctly, he could have got out. Jab up smash gets it. Sean gets a lot of people with that, Tico Brohe put Sean in losers. But, what was I saying? Oh, that chain grab only works with, like, improper DI.
I know. That's why because it was on this stage too.
Yeah.
So it just made me think of it.
Oh, no, what I was actually saying before that, jab up smash. People need to just crouch cancel shield on reaction. Or at least, like, when you think you'll go for it. I get lots of crouch cancel shields against Sean's jab up Bs.
Down tilt.
He
There
doesn't
you
go for
There
up
you go.
Bs in general a lot against me because Falcon's fat. Hey, at
Kinda
least he got
dangerous
that
to go out there.
%. Yeah, Luigi's kind of already dead, but
Oh, that was beautiful.
run up.
He's just gonna
Spin
wave
on him.
Just wave dash through him. Get him with that down air as soon as he pops out of shield.
Alright.
Oh, God, that misfire, dude. I hate it so much. It's cost me so many team
Oh,
sets.
I definitely thought that was going to be an up B.
I thought that was gonna be the set long combo. I mean,
Reverse forward air.
alright,
Edge
that
cancels
was-
the up B too. Sean does that a ton.
That was really good.